Hey guys, lesson 88, here we go. We're going to do a couple of things, kind of mash them together what we've done before. We've done proportions, we've done ratio problem, nope, not problems. There's that bad language again. Puzzles. There we go. Okay, all right. Well, we've done little chunks of different things like this before. We're going to put them together. The only thing different about what we're doing today is instead of looking at some kind of a little, ratio with numbers, we're going to do a little short little paragraph and turn those into the proportions ourselves, which shouldn't be any big of a deal. Let's do one. The ratio of grandmothers to pies was 5 to 7. Okay. Now, if you want to write this down, feel free. You got grandmothers to pie. That is 5 to 7. Okay, that's what we're looking at here. All right, I'll kind of put that to the side. If there were 20, I need to capitalize that letter. If there were 20 grandmothers, how many pies were there? Well, piece of cake. Which one of these numbers here represents grandmothers? The 5, right? It's at the top. So we can put over here our new ratio. There are 20 grandmothers. Well, that matches the top, right? Because the grandmothers we have on top. How many pies were there? I don't know. Just put P for pie. There you go. And we know how to solve equal ratios, right? Remember the cross multiplication? That's all we do. Okay? So we set us up a little equation, and we go 5 times P. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Let's just put 5 times P. That's equal to 20 times 7. Okay. 2 times 7 is 14. Just add a 0. There we go. Okay. Remember last time we did those equations like we did this? 3 times A equals, 11. And you went, oh, that's a piece of cake. 11 divided by 3. That's 3 2/3. Got it. Okay. Same thing here. That's all you're doing. Same thing as this right here. So let's just divide 140 by 5. We don't have to do it, take a long time to do it. The answer is 28. So if there were 20 grandmothers, there were 28 pies. That's all there is to it. Same old thing. Okay. Once again, you're going to write on here. You don't have to write this part here if you don't want to, but if it helps you kind of see which one is which, fine, go ahead and do it. You don't need to though. You got your one ratio. You put it to write an equals sign, make up another ratio, and then just fill in one of the blanks with a number and the other one with what you're looking for. Cross multiply, set them equal, divide, boom, you're done. Let's try another one. Okay. The ratio of fur coats to skunks was 2 to 7. If there were 42 skunks, how many fur coats were there? All right, I'm going to stop it right here. You pause it. Go ahead and try this. Set up a ratio, 2 ratios, put them equal to each other, make a little equation, do the division, and solve it. So go ahead and try it right now. Pause it. Okay, fur coats to skunks. I'll just put fur coats to skunks. That is 2 to 7. And that's going to be equal to something else. Okay, there are 42 skunks. Which one's the skunk? Skunks. Oh, skunks on the bottom. So here we go, 42. How many fur coats were there? I'll just put F for fur. This is what I'm messing with right now. Okay, all right, done with that. Okay, well, I'm going to do 7 times F. That's 7F. That's going to be equal to 2 times 42. Is that right? That's 4, let's see where we at here. Did I do that right? 2 to 7. Okay, 42 is good. Yeah, okay. So 7 times F, 42 times 2 is 84. Okay, well, all we need to do now is go 84 divided by 7 is 12. So there were 12 beautiful fur coats. Just don't get too close to them. Okay, that's all there is to it. All right, okay, let's try another one. See, we practice problems already. Okay, we're on our next practice, so give that a whirl. There, you can make a little box if you want to, like they do in the book, or we can just do it the way we did it here. A and B, pause it and give it a whirl. Okay, this is what you got, 75. The ratio of damsels to knights was 5 to 4. Let's just do this. Damsels to knights was 5 to 4. Okay, so that's the part we're messing with right here. Let's set it up. If there were 60 knights, okay, so it looks like there are 60 knights here. How many damsels were there? Oh, okay, let's just do 4 times D is 4 times D. That's equal to 60 times 5 is 6 times 5 is 30. So 60 times 5 is 300. All we need to do is divide 300 by 4. That's it. Anytime you divide something by 4, you can just do half of it. That's 150. Okay, then half of it again, 75. There you go. Okay. B, 18. Let's go. Boy-girl ratio was 5 to 3. So boys to girls was 5 to 3. All right, let's do another one here. There were 30 boys, which means there were, and how many girls were there? Okay, well, let's just do the math here. 5 times G is 5G. That equals 3 times 30, that's 90. And all we need to do is just divide 90 by 5, and boom, there's 18. Okay, all right. Give those a good whirl today. If you need to take a break after this, take a break, stretch, drink of water, sip of gluten, get some soy, high fructose corn syrup, and get going. All right, see you guys next time.